In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to borrow money on Binance using your cryptocurrency as collateral. This is a great option if you want to access some cash without selling your crypto assets. Throughout this guide, I'll walk you through each step, ensuring you have a clear understanding of the process. Whether you're new to Binance or just need a little refresher, you'll be able to navigate this seamlessly. So, let's get started. First, open up your Binance app and log in. Make sure your credentials are ready, as you'll need to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the familiar Binance home screen. From here, look for the More option and give it a tap. This will lead you to a variety of features offered by Binance, and it's where you can find everything you need. As you scroll through, find the Finance section. It's a crucial hub for handling anything related to loans or earning with Binance. Within this section, tap on Crypto Loans. This option opens the door to borrowing funds against your crypto assets. Next, look for and select Flexible Loan. This selection allows for more versatility, enabling adjustments to things like terms and repayments tailored to your personal needs. After selecting a flexible loan, you'll notice a button called Start Borrowing. Go ahead and tap it to initiate your borrowing journey. Here's where you make an important choice, selecting which cryptocurrency you'd like to borrow. Binance provides a few different options such as USDT or BTC. Consider your needs and select the cryptocurrency that best suits your purpose. Now it's time to decide on the asset you'll use as collateral. You have choices here too, including ETH or BNB. Enter the amount you intend to put up as collateral. This is an important step as it secures your loan and allows you to move forward in the borrowing process. With your collateral set, enter the amount of the cryptocurrency you wish to borrow and choose how long you'd like the loan term to be. The flexibility here is invaluable. Select a term that matches your repayment capabilities and financial goals. Before moving forward, take a moment to review all the terms laid out by Binance. This includes interest rates, repayment schedules, and any other important conditions. Confirming these details is crucial to ensuring you're fully informed before committing. After confirming you're all set, the cryptocurrency you borrowed will be sent directly to your spot wallet and it's available for your immediate use. It's as simple as that. With these steps complete, you now have the flexibility and liquidity without having to relinquish your crypto holdings. And there you have it. You've successfully borrowed money on Binance using your crypto as collateral. I hope you found this guide helpful and you're ready to take advantage of this feature whenever you need it. Thanks for watching and happy trading.